Welcome back guys to my channel, and this is the Mendozas. Sorry for the late upload. So today we will unbox this Beyblade from Metal Fight. I ordered this Beyblade from China again. So this is the L-Drago Destroy. Yep, guys, another Midfake from the Tommy. This is the BB108 L-Drago Destroy. So as you can see, the box is pretty good. It's not low resolution. This is the bay. On the bottom is 02112. Yep, let's open it. Wow, this is pretty hard to open. Right, nothing follows. First, we got the manual, the stickers, and the final survive. Next, the ripcord. Next, the bay itself and the launcher. So first, let's get the launcher. By the way, this is a left spin Beyblade. Packaging looks awful, as you can see. They didn't close properly. Okay, and the ripcord. Let's get the ripcord also. Okay, this is the launcher. And it says the Tommy. The launcher looks fine, and it's on left spin. Left spin. Left spin. This is the left spin Beyblade. Color white. So next, the bay itself. Alright. Then the final survive. The lock and the stickers. And yeah, let's see what we got here. This is the manual. Instruction manual, tech specs of the Beyblade. Alright, they printed it well, not in low resolution. Next is the sticker. Yeah, it's all red, but if you tilt it, there's a cut for this ring. So I'm gonna use this one for the face bolt. some of my commentators says I'm an idiot because they have Beyblade in their market, and it costs only $2. Really? Okay. So first, the parts. This is the energy ring. It's pretty heavy, and yep, this is made from rubber, and the looks not so good. Yep, the final survive. It's pretty working well. Now it's clean, no knob marks. So let's put it together. Alright. So there you have it, guys, the L-Drago Destroy from the Midfake Takara Tomy. I didn't put the red stickers on this part. I'll leave it like that. So this is another part of my collection. So there you have it, guys. Soon I will test this Beyblade with other base that I purchased earlier. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. This is the Mendozas. See you on my next content. Thank you for subscribing, and see you on my next content.